From this video, you will get tips to prepare for Palo Alto Networks Certified XDR Engineer exam. What is Palo Alto Networks XDR Engineer? Certification Overview. Exam Objectives. Preparation Tips. 1. Which two steps should be considered when configuring the Cortex XDR agent for a sensitive and highly regulated environment? Choose 2. A. Enable critical environment versions. B. Create an agent settings profile where the agent upgrade scope is maintenance releases only. C. Create an agent settings profile, enable content auto-update, and include a delay of 4 days. D. Enable minor content version updates. Answer: B, C. 2. The most recent Cortex XDR agents are being installed at a newly acquired company. A list with endpoint types, i.e., OS, hardware, software, is provided to the engineer. What should be cross-referenced for the Linux systems listed regarding the OS types and OS versions supported? A. Content Compatibility Matrix. B. Kernel Module Version Support. C. End of Life Summary. D. Agent Installer Certificate. Answer: B. 3. A custom prevention rule that was determined to be a false positive alert needs to be tuned. The behavior was determined to be authorized and expected on the affected endpoint. Based on the image below, which two steps could be taken? Choose 2. Image description. A custom prevention rule configuration, assumed to trigger a behavioral indicator of compromise, BIAC, alert for authorized behavior. A. Apply an alert exception. B. Apply an alert exclusion to the XDR behavioral indicator of compromise, BIAC, alert. C. Apply an alert exclusion to the XDR agent alert. D. Modify the behavioral indicator of compromise, BIAC, logic. Answer: A, B. 4. During a recent internal Purple Team exercise, the following recommendation is given to the detection engineering team. Detect and prevent command line invocation of Python on Windows endpoints by non-technical business units. Which rule type should be implemented? A. Analytics Behavioral Indicator of Compromise, ABIOC. B. Behavioral Indicator of Compromise, BIOC. C. Correlation. D. Indicator of Compromise, IOC. Answer: B. 5. An XDR engineer is configuring an automation playbook to respond to high-severity malware alerts by automatically isolating the affected endpoint and notifying the security team via email. The playbook should only trigger for alerts generated by the Cortex XDR analytics engine, not custom BIOCs. Which two conditions should the engineer include in the playbook trigger to meet these requirements? Choose 2. A. Alert severity is high. B. Alert source is Cortex XDR Analytics. C. Alert category is malware. D. Alert status is new. Answer: A, C. 6. After deploying Cortex XDR agents to a large group of endpoints, some of the endpoints have a partially protected status. In which two places can insights into what is contributing to this status be located? Choose 2. A. Management audit logs. B. SQL query of the endpoint's dataset. C. All endpoints page. D. Asset inventory. Answer: B, C. 7. When isolating Cortex XDR agent components to troubleshoot for compatibility, which command is used to turn off a component on a Windows machine? A. C program files, Palo Alto networks, traps, XDR.X, stop. B. C program files, Palo Alto networks, traps, cytool.X, runtime stop. C. C program files, Palo Alto networks, traps, XDR.X, S stop. D. C program files, Palo Alto networks, traps, cytool.X, OCCP. Answer: B. 8. How can a customer ingest additional events from a Windows DHCP server into Cortex XDR with minimal configuration? A. Activate Windows Event Collector, WEC. B. Install the XDR collector. C. Enable HTTP collector integration. D. Install the Cortex XDR agent. Answer: B. 9. When using Kerberos as the authentication method for Pathfinder, which two settings must be validated on the DNS server? Choose 2. A. DNS forwarders. B. Reverse DNS zone. C. Reverse DNS records. D. ADDS integrated zones. Answer: B, C. 10. When onboarding a Palo Alto Networks NGFW to Cortex XDR, what must be done to confirm that logs are being ingested successfully after a device is selected and verified? A. Conduct an SQL query for NGFW log data. B. Wait for an incident that involves the NGFW to populate. C. Confirm that the selected device has a valid certificate. D. Retrieve device certificate from NGFW dashboard. Answer: A. Subscribe and like past question.